Hi, my name is Jay Swearingen with Winnebago Industries Service Department. Today we're going to talk about a common problem with the Matrix system. The Matrix system has a troubleshooting feature built in. If you're trying to connect to one of the inputs and there is a problem, if you push the button and it shows 4 blue blinking lights, that's telling you, hey, I have a problem. And from my experience, what I've seen, the most common problem is an unplugged HDMI cord. The problem we had with the Matrix inside was with our exterior television. I'm going to demonstrate what to check on the back of this exterior television. We're going to start with pulling the cord to release the TV. The TV will pull out. And now we're able to look at the cables on the back of the TV. And sure enough, we have an HDMI cable that is unplugged. You want to check, make sure that the adapter hasn't come unplugged. Make sure the adapter is fully seated on the HDMI cable, and make sure the HDMI is fully seated into the back of the television. And that will solve the problem with the 4 blue blinking lights on our Matrix system.